No medical center is complete without providing quality meals to patients. At JPMC, where most patients are underprivileged and from other cities, the Jinnah Food Complex, a Patients Aid Foundation project, ensures hygienic, quality food for patient attendants and security staff. This facility includes
Main Hospital Kitchen, ***, managed by the Gov. of Sindh, offering meals to 1,800 inpatients daily. 2. ***, Tatha Patients Aid Foundation, PAF, at JPMC developed the Jinnah Food Complex, TAMGA, a facility designed to provide hygienic and quality meals to patients, their attendants, and hospital staff. Jinnah Food Complex details. The Jinnah Food Complex is a significant project that addresses the nutritional needs of people at the Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Centre, JPMC, many of whom are underprivileged or from outside Karachi. Key features of the complex include capacity. The complex's kitchens prepare thousands of meals daily. TAMGA. This facility specifically offers complimentary breakfast and dinner, supper to patient attendants and staff year-round. Main Hospital Kitchen. Managed by the government of Sindh, this kitchen provides daily meals to approximately 1,800 inpatients. Ramadan services. During the holy month of Ramadan, TAMGA provides Sehri and Iftar meals, serving hundreds of people. Funding. The project and its operations are primarily supported by generous donations and zakat from individuals and families, such as Ashraf and Farheen Mukati, who support the civil works and maintenance. The initiative is part of the PAF's broader mission to provide free, quality health care and support services, upholding the dignity of the underprivileged at JPMC. Engineering AMCO Industries is proud to contribute to this impactful initiative by designing and installing the complete ventilation system for the 3,000-person capacity kitchen. Engineering AMCO Industries project scope. To support this high-demand kitchen, Engineering AMCO Industries designed a robust and reliable industrial ventilation system tailored for continuous heavy-duty cooking operations. To 304 suction hoods, industrial quality, custom-designed stainless steel hoods, built for high-performance commercial burners, fitted with high-grade grease filters, engineered for maximum smoke and heat extraction. GI ducting and insulation. Fabricated using 20 and 22 gauge GI sheet, installed according to SMACNA standards. 1-inch fiberglass insulation, aluminum foil type for heat control and noise reduction. Industrial fans by Engineering. Double skin casing centrifugal fans, built to AMCA standards. Belt drive fans with VFD control for smooth operation and energy savings, designed for 24/7 operation in a high-temperature, grease-heavy environment. This system ensures the entire kitchen remains safe, cool, smoke-free, and fully compliant with hygiene and ventilation standards. AMC standard certified. Built with double skin insulated panels for quiet and vibration-free operation, equipped with heavy-duty belt drive assemblies designed for long service life, powered by energy-efficient motors. VFD controlled, allowing precise airflow control and substantial power savings, manufactured with galvanized steel frames, aluminum aerodynamic impellers, and high-quality bearings, designed for 24/7 continuous industrial kitchen operation, tested for high static pressure. Ideal for large kitchen exhaust systems, ensuring reliable removal of smoke, steam, odors, and grease-laden air. These fans make the entire system stable, safe, and durable, supporting round-the-clock cooking operations. WMM Engineering AMCO Industries extends gratitude to the Patients Aid Foundation, Pakistan. Thank you for trusting us with this important project and for your tireless efforts in feeding and supporting the most vulnerable patients at JPMC. The successful ventilation system installation at Jinnah Food Complex, JPMC, Karachi, reflects our commitment to national service, engineering excellence, and community welfare.